To play, you will need a horseshoe game set. Thanks to Go Sports for providing the horseshoe game used in this tutorial. The two stakes are placed 40 feet apart. This distance can be shortened based on available playing area or playing ability. The stakes should be driven into the ground so that they angle slightly toward each other. The stakes should be about 14 inches high out of the ground. When playing with two players, the players will stand at one stake and throw to the opposite stake, then switch ends to throw the other way. When playing with four players, one player from each team will stand at either stake. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored by throwing your horseshoes close to the stake. The game begins with a player throwing both horseshoes at the opposite stake. Red goes first here and makes their throws. After Red's two throws, Blue will throw their two horseshoes. Horseshoes within 6 inches of the stake are worth 1 point each. Horseshoes that are wrapped around the stake are known as ringers and are worth 3 points each. Cancellation scoring is used, so only one team scores per round. Here, Red has a ringer for 3 points. The other red horseshoe is outside 6 inches to the stake for no points. Blue gets 1 point for each horseshoe being within 6 inches of the stake for a total of 2 points. Blue's 2 points are taken away from Red's 3.